Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. This week we're going to show you how to make a cost-effective way to make the perfect sugar paste domes for your cupcakes. So let's get 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So we're going to take a polystyrene sphere. Now these are from most craft stores and they cost very little. These actually cost £5 for a pound. Take a sharp knife. What you're going to do is cut it in half, going right round the whole of the sphere. So you've got two semi-spheres. There we go. Might have a little bit, not much. Okay. Then what you're going to do is take a bit of cling film and wrap it over the dome. Now this makes it food safe. And chop off any excess so that it's nice and flat. There we go. Okay. Now just take a bit of sugar paste and just going to quickly roll it out. And there you go. Literally all what you're doing is don't make it too thin, because what we're going to be doing is using an embossing cutter and gently put pressure on there to give it a nice even embossed finish on the sugar paste. And just taking a little bit of the metallic dusting powder. I'm going to take this and using the brush colour it nice and silver. Then what you're going to do is take a circle cutter, slightly bigger than the actual dome itself, and cut that, take away any excess, and gently pick it up and place it onto the dome and gently mould it to the semi-sphere. And then literally what you're going to do is leave that to dry overnight, and that's great to make on your domed cupcakes the next day. Hopefully we've done that under 2 minutes. Hope you've enjoyed this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. Please join us next time for more top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, bye bye.